Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I wanted to show you guys these two liquid eyeshadows that I got from Wet n Wild. Now, I hate when companies do this, and a lot of times, a lot of companies do this, and I think it's like, shame on you for doing this. Okay, so I got the Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadow in green. This is green, if you guys can see the color there. In Emerald Glaze. Okay, this is their brand that they always carry. And then I got the mermaid one in Laura's Necklace. I'm actually gonna pull you guys really close up so you guys can see them. Okay, so this is the mermaid on one hand. I'm gonna pull the camera really close to my eye so you guys can see them next to each other, back to back. Now look at this. It's the same flippin' color. I thought, okay, well, I'm gonna get one's gonna be more iridescent, one's gonna look a little bit more different than the other. No, they took the same exact formula and just repackaged it and made it look prettier, but gave it a different name, but it's the same identical exact shade. And I think shame on you for trying to trick us like that. If you come out with a different brand, like a mermaid brand, at least change the freaking formula or the color. Don't try to, like, I mean, come on, I feel like I'm ripped off here. I just bought two colors that I thought were gonna be different, and they're the identical brand, the identical color, just different, you know, mermaid and a regular. I'm like, come on. So I'm gonna pull you guys really close up. I didn't like this formula. It was very chunky, and I just wasn't fond of it. So let's go ahead and just jump to that video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Oh, and before we get there, please hit that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. Let's go ahead and get to that video. Okay guys, so on this eye, I just placed it all over my eyelid doing this eyeshadow look. And it looks kind of funny, don't you think? If you look at it, it looks like sporadic and chunky. Even though it got the green all over the eyelid as far as the color, the glittery part of it looks like patchy and chunky. I know you guys can see that. Looks weird. So let's go ahead to the other eye and see if this is the other one. This is the normal one, not the mermaid collection. The Emerald Glaze does the same thing on the other eye. So I place it right here by the lash line. Look straight up, and there's my cut crease. This is the mermaid collection right here. You guys see how patchy and chunky it is? This is the regular collection in Emerald Glaze right here. You guys can see the same thing going on. It's like patchy and chunky. Is there any difference in the color? Absolutely not. Okay guys, so what did you think? Tell me your honest opinion down in the comment section. Sound off. Would you be upset if you were me and you bought these two thinking they were a different color? They're different named, different collection. They're the same freaking color. I think anybody would be upset. But I hope you guys are not upset about this video, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Hit that like button and the little bell by the subscribe button for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.